They needed this win. So both teams naman came out to play. And we just were able to play better in the last minutes of the yung fourth quarter. Yun lang naman yun. We were able to make stops, we were able to make shots. In fact, the first three quarters, tayo nga yung end of the third, di ba? So, sa fourth quarter lang talaga nagkatalo.
How were you able to put and your players put aside some of the calls went against you?
Ano naman I don't remember what game that was, but nung nagpanay kami reklamo sa referee, wala naman ikabubuti yung magreklamo sa referee because they'll call it the way they see it. Kung foul talaga, maski wala, kung yun ang nakita nila, yun ang tatawag nila. So, I just told them that me be the one to complain because hindi naman kayo papansinin nun, baka masama pa yung epekto. So, let me be the one to complain.